Today, let's explore something often overlooked: how your ear health is directly connected to your overall well-being. Whether you're dealing with blocked ears, muffled hearing, or recurring wax buildup, these issues affect more than just how well you hear. Healthy ears play a major role in balance, focus, and mental clarity. When wax builds up, your brain works harder to interpret sound, leading to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Many don't realize feeling drained can be linked to untreated ear issues. Blocked ears can also impact your balance system. Even small amounts of wax can interfere with how your body interprets movement, leading to unsteadiness or light dizziness. When your ears are clear, balance improves, enhancing everyday stability. Ear health also influences social and emotional well-being. When hearing is muffled, people often withdraw from conversations or feel anxious. A simple wax blockage can make communication exhausting, but it's usually quick and easy to fix. At Hearing First Barnet, qualified audiologists use safe, precise microsuction to gently and effectively remove wax. No water, no discomfort, just professional care that immediately restores clarity for most patients. Clearing wax gives your brain a break, reduces listening effort, and helps you feel sharper, calmer, and more connected. If you're ready to feel clearer, lighter, and more comfortable, click the link in the description to book your visit to Hearing First Barnet.